The 2018 Ram 1500 is the Baskin Robbins of trucks. There's a look and flavor for just about everybody. Whether you want something clean and bright or done up in chrome and gold, there's a Ram for you. Today, Ram revealed another new variant, the 2018 Ram 1500 Hydro Blue Sport. This bright blue bomber is based on the Sport model, and Ram said this is the final Sport Edition model, following trucks like the Sublime Sport. While we haven't heard anything official, we do know a new Ram is coming sometime soon. Like the Sublime Sport, the Hydro Blue Sport takes a standard Ram 1500 Sport and paints nearly every exterior surface in a fantastic shade of blue. No one outside of maybe Lamborghini does paint colors quite like FCA. That's a trait that goes back decades, and we commend the automaker for not following the silver/white/black/beige trend of so many others. All the badging and small horizontal lines in the grille are painted black. The headlights and wheels, too, are dark rather than silver or chrome. The final exterior touches two black stripes on the sport's hood. The interior is the exact opposite of the exterior. The mostly black trim is accented with hydro blue touches on the vents, center console and doors. The seats have blue Ram badges and stitching,